Now, to the extension of our topic, which is about the Guna theory, we are going to talk more about it. Now, Guna theory can be better understood by understanding SRT model. Gunas, once again I repeat, are the character or the qualities that governs our nature or behavior. In the 14th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna focuses on three types of qualities or gunas that exist together in equilibrium. Now, the types of gunas. The first type of guna is the tamasic guna, the greedy, the darkness, the moha part of it. Like when you talk about the quality of a human, it is the moha part of it. Now, second is rasic guna. Rasic guna is the forceful, the passionate, the ambitious, the trishna we can call it, for achieving something which is good for the oneself as well as for the society. Whereas when we talk about sattvic guna, which is the pure guna, which is the utmost guna one can achieve, which is better understood by the Prakash itself, and these are the people or these are the organizations who work only for the betterment of the society, betterment of the human being. Now, what are the characteristics of guna? Every guna has some characteristics. Now, let's talk about what are the characteristics these people have. The characteristic of sattvic people are kindness, they are enlightened, they keep on forgiving if one commits the mistake. They don't have any false egos. They are concerned about the society, about the welfare of the people. They are the truth-loving people. They are passionate lovers, like they love everybody, and they have devotion, and as well as they are kind and humble. Now, as far as their action is concerned, they have a very clear direction and they are very focused on the purpose. Now, let's talk about Rasic people. In Rasic Guna, Rasic people are those types of people that the traits are that they are very clever and they are very strong, they have pride, at the same time they are jealous also, and they have human qualities of greed and anger. They have the urge to rule, they are very dominant, and they have a fiery will to win. Now, let's talk about Tamasic Guna. Tamasic people are characterized by laziness, they are very arrogant, they keep on procrastinating the work they have been given, they are ignorant, and at times they are violent also, and they can deceive people for the welfare of themselves. They are committed to theft, they are committed to sinful activity, they are committed to immoral activity in order to achieve the goals. They fill their mind with the mental blindness and their actions are wasteful. Whatever they are going to do, they keep themselves in the focus and they try to achieve whatever they want to do by hook or by crook. Now, also, when we talk about the gunas, we will have to talk about the food also. The food also affects the guna, the intake of the food. Whatever food you've been taking, it is going to affect you directly as far as your mental makeup is concerned. And whatever we do, first we do it mentally and then after we do it by our actions. So be aware of your thoughts, they are going to become your actions, and be aware of your actions, they are going to become your habits, and be aware of your habits because they are going to become your character. Now talk about the food. Now sattvic food is like butter, curd, milk, and it is not going to harm. Whereas when you talk about rasic food is spicy food, the fast food or the junk food we call it. Now if one keeps on consuming the rasic food, he or she is going to get ill after a period of time. Whereas talk about tamasic food. The tamasic food is alcohol or any food which hurts your body and your mind is known as the tamasic food. So one has to be very aware when you talk about a manager, when you talk about a person who's working in a corporate, one has to be very specific about the food habits, because remember, an executive is as good as his health. Now, next. Now, what is the relevance of guna theory in management? Now, managers, they have to take decisions, and gunas influence as far as their decision making is concerned. We talk about a tamasic manager. Tamasic people tend to make decisions that can be harmful to many and at times even for the self. Whereas, on the other hand, Sattvic people are going to take the decisions which are going to help the society, which are going to do maximum good for the people in the long run. Managers can take the guidance of Sattvic people within the organization. Yoga and meditation can also help. And since the pure mind is going to bring right decision and it brings Sattvic qualities. Now we are going to talk about OSHA model. O is for Om. Om, the meaning of Om is the signature of God that indicates oneness with the nature. S is for Sattvic Gun, for the spiritual values, and H is for humanness, and A is for Asura personality. So this is what we talk about. We had talked about the Guna theory and what is the relevance of Guna theory in today's corporate or management world. Thank you.